Welcome back to Unboxed. In today's short video, I've got another awesome accessory for all you 6th gen Toyota 4Runner owners. What we have here is the Toyota OEM LED lantern. Now this lantern is going to be for all you 25 and up Toyota 4Runner owners, and this is going to install onto the left side of your dash on the driver's side. It's just going to clip in. What's really awesome about this is that it's not taking up any additional space, and look at this. To remove the lantern, we're just going to twist it. Once we twist it, we're going to remove it, and here we see the lantern. Now if you look in the housing here, you can see this says Toyota Accessories. Nice little touch there. And on the lantern itself, on the back side, if you guys look here, it says Toyota. Really nice touch there as well. And we do have these two little hooks here, or also these can be used as little stands as well. For the lantern itself, it is powered by 3 AA batteries, and we do have multiple light options here on it. So all we need to do is push the front, and it turns on the lantern. And as you guys can see, we can cycle through all the LED options we have here. Again, if you are looking for a nice, inexpensive accessory for your 6th gen 4Runner, this should be at the top of your list. And again, this will just clip it onto the side of your dash. Installation on this should take you less than 5 minutes, if that. Anyway, let me know what you think about this lantern right here. You know, if you are a little accessory nut and you love flashlights, this will definitely be the right option for you. Anyway, that's all the time I've got for you guys today. Until next time, I hope you guys stay safe, and we'll see ya.